handle for the tool hammer. And the second way is another RF needling handle pieces. We also use the spring one by one to fix it. And also the third handle. And after fix the handle holder, and then next step, we will connect the handle to the machine. Connect the handle to the machine. Okay. And you will see they have the connector over here. 3 pieces is for the handle, 1 piece is for the panel. Okay. First handle and this second handle. And this is the first tool hammer handle. And the last handle, the last one is for the pedal. The pedal is using for operation. You just fix over here. And here is the cable, and it is a switch to turn on the machine. So that is everything for the microneedling machines. Thank you. Okay, so now we turn on the machine to show you guys the operation page of the machine. So now we turn on. There's 2 options. This for the achievement. And then we face and the body. Then we select face and then you will see this is a signal. You need to use the IC card to turn on the machine. So this IC card. Then the signal will disappear. So now you can start to operate the machine. And then you adjust the energy, the depth, and the trim mode, and then press start. And then use the panel to do the operation on the face. And after that, then you stop and then return, and then select another for the face and the body trimmer. It's the same way. The same way, energy, depth, and trimmer mode, and then start and use the panel to do the trimmer. So this is very easy. And this is cold hammer, and just adjust temperature and then stop. Then you can do the trimmer. So this is our microneedling machine. Thank you.